How to find your phone contacts on Messenger app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find your phone contacts on your Facebook Messenger app. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Messenger, click on your profile, scroll down and click on phone contact. Now you have applied contact, which is the first option. Click on it. Now you can find your phone contact on Messenger. Just click on turn on and they're gonna give you all your phone contact who has a Facebook. They're gonna give you their account. And this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video don't forget to subscribe and like.